Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very short video to run you through the various options of interaction that we have available for our webinar. You will be able to ask a question during the speaker presentations by raising your hand. That is quite easily done in the public chat room of the webinar. To the right-hand side of your screen, you will see a chat tab, a Q&A tab, a polls tab, and a handouts tab. In the chat tab, you will see a public sub-tab. This is where you need to enter, and to raise your hand is quite simple. All you need to do is click on the hand symbol right here on the right bottom side of your screen, like this. You will see a message, and everyone will see a message in this in their chat room that a specific person has risen their hand. At this point, I would kindly ask everyone to wait until the speaker has acknowledged the fact that he or she have seen that you've raised your hand and addressed you and asked you to deliver your question. As the speaker is saying, "Alex, I see you have a question, please ask it," the moderator in the background will unmute your microphone and you will be able to ask your question. Once the answer to your question has been delivered by the speaker will ask if you're satisfied with the answer. Upon hearing yes from you, I will mute your microphone, and then the speaker will move on, either with another question from somebody else or with their presentation. I would kindly ask everyone to keep the public chat room explicitly for the purpose of raising hands during presentations. If you have any non-time sensitive questions, or if you want to ask a question relating to a past or future presentation, or if you would like to ask the audience a question, then I would kindly ask you to go into the Q&A tab, where you will be able to type your question. That question then appears in the new sub-tab. If you are happy with the question, you can publish it, which then moves the question to the published sub-tab, where every member of the audience will be able to answer your question. Once an answer has been delivered, then your question will be automatically copied into the answer sub-tab. You will see a small red dot appearing above the answered sub-tab. That means that there is a new question that has been answered. And there you see your question and its answer. Once you are happy with the answers, I would kindly ask you to unpublish your question, which means that your question is now permanently saved in the answered section, and we can keep the published section in a organized manner for new questions that haven't received any answers yet. If a speaker would like to do some polling during his or her presentation, the relevant polls would be uploaded here in the poll section, and the speaker would direct the audience's attention to the polls section, where you will be able to find the pre-uploaded polls. Should the speaker wish to share an additional handout with the audience, those handouts would be available in the handout section of the interaction. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.